Are you looking for the best combination laser level in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best combination laser level that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch Green Combination Laser Level. The Bosch Green Combination Laser Level is very versatile. It helps to facilitate a single-person job with vertical and horizontal leveling. It is also perfect for the transfer of plumb points. It comes with an inbuilt Visimax technology which helps deliver maximum brightness and optimizes energy efficiency. The Bosch Green Combination Laser has bright green laser beams that are 4 times more luminous than traditional red beams. The green beam ranges are extended up to 165 feet when the Bosch LR8 receiver is utilized. It also comes with a 12V lithium-ion battery for long-lasting use. Up next in the 4th place is the Bosch GLL1P 65 feet combination point and line laser level. The Bosch combination point and laser level is proven to be very versatile. It can project a single laser line which makes it easy to use. The single laser line projection also makes it very versatile in its usage. The Bosch combination point and laser level are accurate and provide a range point of up to 65 feet. Its accuracy is top-notch, up to 3/16 of an inch at 33 feet. It is also very compact. The design is made to be a pocket size for both horizontal, vertical, and angular applications. There is an easy grip handle that allows for convenient access to the battery compartment. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch 65 feet self-leveling cross-line combination laser. Like other Bosch products mentioned above, the Bosch self-leveling cross-line combination laser is versatile. It comes with clear lines and points for horizontal leveling. The clear lines also serve a purpose for vertical and plumb point transfer applications. There is a receiver mode for use with an optional line laser. It can receive for up to a range of 165 feet. It also has an intelligent pendulum system that indicates out-of-level conditions for up to 4 inches. It has a manual mode with lock lines for use at any angle. This can be done by simply switching the tool on in a locked way. 2nd on our list is the DEWALT Laser Level Red Line and Spot Laser Combination Kit. The DEWALT Laser Level has a cross line and 3-spot laser. The laser line comes with a full-time pulse mode. The full-time pulse mode is used with a detector and maintains full brightness for visibility even in extended ranges. Furthermore, it features a locking pendulum that helps prevent damage to the internal components. There is an integrated bracket with a 1/4 inches 20-thread mount. The mount works exceptionally well with a tripod stand. Many people also opt for the DEWALT Laser Level Combination Kit because the control panel is a touchpad. Finally, the top product on our list is the Lino L2P5 Self-Leveling Combination Cross-Line and Dot Laser. The self-leveling combination cross-line has lots of combined benefit. It adds a pulse mode for the cross lines, which can be used with a detector. The detector should be used in conditions where the lines aren't visible. Such conditions include outdoor and bright light conditions. The self-leveling cross-line has a multifunctional magnetic base, a lithium-ion battery, and a charger. It also has an alkaline battery compartment, tinted glasses, and a hard shell carrying case. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.